I just ran out.
We're at Noah's graduation. Got her dressed up. Got Danger. There's Vivian. But she's up picking up trash out of the parking lot or something.
Danger, it actually looks pretty cool how you got those tucked into the saw.
Oh,
you
yeah.
gonna do that?
A little bit.
Like, I'm not gonna just deal with them going down over my shoes, so I
This
tucked
is
them
so
in.
odd.
All right. 12 years of trying and crying
12.
of school.
Okay, yeah, because it was definitely more than 12.
He didn't fail.
No, but there was like he didn't start immediately. Anyway.
He started on kindergarten.
Yes, but there was more crying and trying before that.
That's not what I'm talking about.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.